Good morning to all. This is a detailed documentary about the state Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is famous for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. It is a home for beautiful lakes, stunning gardens, ancient temples and monasteries. The most prominent tourist attractions in Jammu and Kashmir include Ladakh, Gulmarg and more. Jammu and Kashmir was first founded on 26th October 1947. The Kashmir region is predominantly mountains with deep, narrow valleys and high barren plateaus. Jammu and Kashmir was a princely state during the British East India Company rule as well as the British Raj in India from 1946 to 1947. The princely state was created after the First Anglo-Sikh War. In Jammu, Hindus constitute 65% of the population, Muslims 31%, Sikhs 4%. People who live in Jammu and Kashmir speak the following languages. They are Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Dogri and Kashmiri. One of the most famous lakes in Jammu and Kashmir is the Dal Lake, which is being located in Srinagar. It is an urban lake, which is the second largest lake in Jammu and Kashmir. The other names of this lake are Lake of Flowers, Jewel in the Crown of Kashmir, or Srinagar's Jewel. The first largest lake in Jammu and Kashmir is Wular Lake. Srinagar. It is the capital of the state. It is also known as the summer capital of the Indian Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The city is known for its natural environment, gardens, waterfalls and houseboats. Srinagar has a humid subtropical climate. The valley is surrounded by the Himalayas on all sides. Srinagar is also known for its traditional Kashmiri handicrafts. Dachigam. It is a national park which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. This national park is located 22 kilometers from Srinagar. The park has been a protected area since 1910. This national park was under the care of Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir. This was initially created to ensure clean drinking water supply for the city of Srinagar. It was upgraded and declared a national park in the year 1981. Ma Vaishno Devi Temple. This temple is the most visited temple in the list after the famous Sri Tirumala Venkateshwara Temple. It is deemed to be the most visited religious site in India. This temple is dedicated to Mata Rani or Vaishnavi, who is the mother goddess. If you have an idea to visit Jammu and Kashmir in future, please don't forget to visit this famous Ma Vaishno Devi Temple. Famous food recipes which is being eaten in Jammu and Kashmir. Rogan Josh, an aromatic lamb dish, is one of the signature recipes of Kashmir. This food recipe is non-vegetarian. While most of the Kashmiri food dishes are non-veg, there is something very special prepared with potatoes for the pure veggies. Dum Olav or Dum Aloo, one of the most famous dishes of Kashmiri food. Tukpa is a thick noodle-based soup with vegetables. If you love noodles and you love soup too, then it's a delight for you. Momos are one of the super popular things to eat in Kashmir. It is available in both veg and non-veg. Ladakh. It is the cold desert. It is also known as Little Tibet. Ladakh is the largest and second least populous union territory of India. In Ladakh, Buddhists constitute about 46% of the population. Dras is the coldest place in India, which is situated in Ladakh. Since 1974, the government of India has successfully encouraged tourism in Ladakh. Disaster in Jammu and Kashmir. In 1893, after after 52 hours of continuous rain, very serious flooding took place in the Jhelum Valley and much damage was done to Srinagar. The floods of 1903 were much more severe, a great disaster. After these years passed, there was a flood in Jammu and Kashmir on 2nd September 2014. In this flood, 2,550 villages affected and 80,000 people evacuated. Even if disaster strikes Jammu and Kashmir, the beauty of the state will never go away. This place will always be the heaven of our world. The end. Thank you all.